Assalamualaikum student, I am Farah Imran. Here the math wise 7 unit 4 exponent exercise 4a. Question we start on now the question number 2. Evaluate part A. 4 raised power 4 solution is equal to 4 raised power 4 mean we multiply this 4 by 4 times. Look at here, is equal to 4 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 4. So we have the answer 256. Just we multiply the 4 by 4 times. Now we have the answer 256. Now the B part is 2 raised power minus 8 solution is equal to 2 raised power minus 2. Here we use the negative exponent law. This power is negative. We use the negative exponent law to become this minus become positive by using the law is equal to 1 over 2 raised power plus 8. जब हम इसको फ्रैक्शन में लेके जाएंगे तो ये जो माइनस 8 है ये क्या बन गया प्लस 8. 2 raised power plus 8. It's mean we multiply the 2 by 8 times. 8 times. Look at here, 1 divided by 2 multiplied 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 by 2. It's mean we multiply the 2 by 8 times. So we have the answer is equal to 1 by 256. Now the part C, 8 raised power 3 solution. 8 raised power 3, it's mean we multiply the 8 by 3 times. Look at here, is equal to 8 multiplied by 8 multiplied by 8 is equal to 512. This is the answer. Okay, now the part D, 4 raised power minus 2 solution. 4 raised power minus 2, here also we use the negative exponent law because we use this law to become this minus sign in positive sign. Look at here, 1 divided by 2 raised power 2 positive 2. This minus 2 become plus 2 by using the negative exponent law. Okay, now we multiply the 4 by 2 times in denominator is equal to 1 divided by 4 multiplied by 4. Why we write here 2 times? Because its power is 2 square. 2 are square, so we multiply by 2 times. 4 multiplied by 4. So our answer is equal to 1 over 16. Now the E part is 100 raised power minus 3 solution. 100 raised power minus 3, also here we use the negative exponent law to become this minus exponent in to become positive exponent. So we is equal to 1 over 100 raised power plus 3. Here here we use the negative exponent law, so it's become this power, this minus power become positive. It's mean next when we solve this portion, so we multiply the 100 by 3 times. Look at here, 1 over divided by 100 multiplied by 100 multiplied by 100. 3 times we multiply the 100 because its power is 3. So our answer is 1 divided by 1000000. We have here 60. Okay. F part, 144 raised power minus 1 solution is equal to 144 raised power minus 1. Here also we use the negative exponent law. It's because this minus exponent become plus, so 1 over 144. Here is power is become positive 1, so we don't write here necessary use. हमें ज़रूरत नहीं है लिखने की कि ये पॉजिटिव 1 इसकी पावर है. हमें अंडरस्टैंड होना चाहिए कि जब कोई पावर नहीं लिखी हुई तो उसका मतलब क्या है, उसकी पावर कितनी है, प्लस 1 उसकी पावर है. ठीक है, हो गया. जस्ट हमने यहाँ पे क्या किया कि ये नेगेटिव पावर थी तो इसको हमने पॉजिटिव पावर में फ्रैक्शन की सूरत में लिया है. कौन सा लॉ यूज़ करके? नेगेटिव एक्सपोनेंट लॉ यूज़ करके. नो द पार्ट H, 632 raised power 0 solution. 632 raised power 0. Here we use the law, zero exponent law. Any number, any base have zero exponent, then its answer is always 1. Look at here, is equal to 1. कोई भी नंबर होगा, चाहे वो कितना बड़ा नंबर हो, चाहे वो जितना मर्जी छोटा हो, अगर उसकी पावर 0 आ रही है तो उसका आंसर क्या आ जाएगा? 0. थैंक यू.